Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be planting out these. These are my beautiful Verbascum. Sorry. These are my beautiful Verbascum. Sorted. So that's folks. Let's get this sorted there. Yep. As you can see, really nice, strong, healthy plants. The Snow Maiden, they're a hardy perennial, so they should come back every year. So what I'm going to be doing with these, grow probably over 1 metre tall. So I'm going to be planting one on the corner here. Got it look nice, stick it there, put one there, and then come around here. I thought get another one there, and come around here, probably stick another one just in there. I think that should look fine then. So yeah, get to the corner here first. It's a lovely day, by the way. These bearded iris is absolutely outstanding. But the microphone's okay, because unfortunately it is blowing a bit of a breeze today. So first of all, yes, as you can see, giving it a really good dig over. It's quite dry, the soil still. And then we're planting this in there. These are absolutely gorgeous plants. I think they were sown in December last year in my greenhouse. Got a nice root system. Still see the flower stem there just starting to appear. So you want to plant at the same level as it being in the pot, like so. And just fill it up all the way around. You want to firm it in nicely. Don't leave any air gaps so the roots don't dry out. Yeah. There's another one. Put them to one side. Once that's in there like so, with the soil being so dry, you want to give it a really good soak. Give it a few minutes. Really get all that soil and compost really nice and wet. Right, here we go. I planted 3 now. Just weeded this corner. That's what I've got off after that corner. It's amazing how quickly now these aquilegias, these columbines are going over. This is the time that I can pull them out and chop them back and get some new stuff in there, which I like. I'm going to plant some cosmos in this corner as well, which will be lovely. But I want to give these a really good soaking. There's one here as well. So these that should go well above anything around there, which is great. So I'll keep these for a few minutes on the low setting on this. And this will just get everything nice and wet. Get all the soil off the leaves, like so. And these should take off really, really well. So yeah, that's how to grow Verbascum from seed. I'll post one more video when the flower spikes really get going. If you've got any questions about how to grow Verbascum, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.